Hello, you amazing sax entrepreneur, beginner saxophone player, sax enthusiast. Welcome to 60 beats per minute. Your sax mastery medicine motivation tip for today in 60 beats.
Let me introduce you to the 5-minute practice rule. It's a game changer for the saxophone player who is on their way to becoming a professional, a legend, or a master. Let's make it quick in 60 beats or a minute. Explain it. Today you don't feel like practicing, but I'm encouraging you to do so for at least 5 minutes. It's not too long. You can do it in just 5 minutes. Maybe you don't know, but there's a lot you can do in 5 minutes. Practice an arpeggio, learn a scale or phrase in just 5 minutes. Start to work on your saxophone tone in just 5 minutes. Install your practice habit, dude. Come on, it just takes 5 minutes. To develop your daily practice routine, no need to start with an hour. Just start with 5 minutes. Show up, practice and play every day for at least 5 minutes. The drive, the fulfillment and the momentum will push you to go way beyond the initial 5 minutes. And I'm positive you won't regret it. Eventually, 5 will turn into 15, 25 or 2 hours and 45 minutes. Congratulations, dude. You have just started the process of initiating your practice routine in less than 5 minutes.